If you've had a Kashmiri chai looking like this, throw it away. It is not the real deal. If you like it, that's fine. But it contains colour and milk and it's not the real thing. Authentic Kashmiri tea should look like this. A beautiful pinkish earthen mauve colour, and that has an amazing flavour. I'm going to share with you the authentic recipe, the way we make this chai back home, and we call it noon chai, not Kashmiri chai obviously. It's in Kashmir, so just call it noon chai because we make it with salt, and salt in Kashmiri is noon. So let's dive into the recipe, and if you haven't followed my channel so far, make sure you do for more Kashmir and me content. So basically, all it needs is these 4 ingredients, and they can be found in most kitchens. Green tea leaves or Kashmiri green tea leaves. Baking soda, not baking powder, because that will contain cream of tartar as well. So just sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. And of course, milk. We prefer whole milk for Kashmiri noon chai. And who doesn't have a bit of water in the kitchen? And if you're one of my subscribers, I know I am not skipping this conversation. I have been away for 4 years and I'm really sorry. I was busy with work, got married, moved to UK, got a job here, got really busy in the hospital, and finally I've decided to make more time and make more content. And we're starting with noon chai, of course. On a medium-high heat, add 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri tea leaves into a pot. Add just enough water to cover the tea leaves and add a pinch or 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda. Well, it's brewing now and it's giving off this beautiful Kashmiri chai aroma, and that's what I've been missing for the last 4 years because I haven't been home in a while, and it's giving me that beautiful nostalgia of a Kashmiri kitchen when your mum's making noon chai. And of course, I forgot a very important ingredient that's right in my frame, and that's salt, of course. I don't know if this should count as I've just lowered the heat because it was boiling again. I don't know if this counts ingredient. I don't know. But yeah, salt is also an important part of noon chai. Well, you can see now it's giving off this beautiful deep pink mauve colour, which means we are nearly there. I've got a cup of cold milk here and the tea I brewed. So I'm just going to add a little bit in the cup to show you how beautiful it looks. I will not turn down the heat yet because I want the water to evaporate a little bit more. But I think it's nearly ready. Look at that. Wow. This is what the real deal should look like. I honestly did not expect it to come out so good. And just when it's doing that, make sure you put half a stick of butter in, and that will sort of enhance the flavor and make everything in this chai taste amazing. Salt check. Needs a bit more salt. Perfect. And this is what it should look like when you take it off the heat. Boiling, butter is mixed, and that beautiful authentic noon chai colour. I am in love with this colour. Wow. Normally people can strain the tea leaves out, but I am a Kashmiri. I love my tea leaves of the Kashmiri chai in the tea. And look at that. Look at this beautiful. I think the exposure is a little too much, but look at that. Wow. Now there's one bonus tip I can give you before enjoying it, and that is adding a dollop of fresh cream, and it will taste amazing. And you can enjoy this with a fresh croissant. You can dip it, or you can just have it dry and have a sip of tea. I'm in heaven. I'm in Kashmir. Now I just want to make sure that I don't offend anybody. If you call this thing as Kashmiri chai, I'd have nothing against you. Maybe just call it a meaty Kashmiri chai or a meaty or a sweet pink tea. because this is not real Kashmiri chai. We don't add cardamom, we don't add color, we don't add dry fruits either. This is Nun chai, or the real Kashmiri chai. I have nothing against the people who like this or enjoy this, that's absolutely fine. But people selling it in the name of authentic Kashmiri chai should be careful. But once you try this thing, you'll forget every other chai, I can promise you. I hope you're enjoying this lovely Kashmiri tea when you make it. When you make it, make sure you let me know how it turned out. And follow my channel for more Kashmiri recipes and obviously rest of the Kashmir and me content. See you in the next video. Bye.